Big black ants. Ant. Foraging behavior. 1. Scouting. Asterisk ants send out scouts to search for food sources. 2. Chemical trails. Asterisk ants use pheromones to mark paths to food, helping others follow. 3. Cooperative foraging. Asterisk ants work together to gather and transport food. Food preferences. 1. Sweet substances. Asterisk ants are attracted to sugary foods like honey, sugar, and fruit. 2. Protein-rich foods. Asterisk ants also collect insects, seeds, and other protein sources. 3. Greasy foods. Asterisk some ants are drawn to oily or greasy substances. If you happy to my documentary, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my channel.